The other day I ordered something off of woot.com. It was a deal for Blink xt2 cameras. And you can see inside of here, it just shipped in a regular box. But the thing is, I actually ordered this as used acceptable. You can see over here, the stickers on here are completely new. And it doesn't look like they just put new stickers on here. Usually one of these cameras can cost as much as $60 on Amazon. It might be less elsewhere, but again, I bought two of these on around Black Friday. You can see, even though they posted it as used acceptable, it looks pretty much new to me. On the other side, the sticker still is new too. So just wanted to say, if you purchase something off of woot.com, sometimes used acceptable might be new. This was the Woot ad. One way to make sure you get something, ensure that you might get something newer, is to probably just check reviews on these deal sites. Slickdeals is always a good, consistent one because they share information. And on here, people would mention that they received new items. So you got 4 cameras sealed, perfect in box, and so it's one way you can get a pretty good deal. Order off of Woot, but again, Woot is like Amazon; it's hit and miss. So you might end up with something that could be not that great, like broken or something. So good luck.